as the government pushes for reforms and uniformity in personal laws.
I would say this whole issue ought to be debated, considered, analyzed and understood from the abiding values of our Constitution.
Triple Talaq must go. The aspirations of the Muslim woman are being suppressed for years together. There is no religious issue involved in this. It is a question of gender, justice.
Now, an individual acquires certain rights by virtue of his birth as a citizen of India. Now, whether you are born a male or a female, you should have the same category of rights.
There's a strong opposition to the move.
एक नई जंग छेड़ दी है मोदी साहब ने इस मुल्क में। सूरत हाल ये है कि अंदरूनी जंग के लिए फिजा तैयार की जा रही है। ऐसी शक्ल में हम लोगों की जिम्मेदारी है कि हम जमहूरी तरीके से अपनी आवाज़ बुलंद करें। मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ने ये फैसला किया है और हमारी तमाम जमातें, सारे तबकात उसमें शरीक हैं कि हम मुखालफत करेंगे हुकूमत की हलफनामे की और हम सब बाइकाट करेंगे कोई शनायर का जो लॉ कमीशन ने फ्लोट किया है।
From Muslim Law Board to women's rights organizations and a number of other associations, each one of them have taken upon themselves the task to create awareness about the questionnaire of Law Commission. They're also asking citizens to take sides. For example, one of the online petitions asks people to write to the Muslim Law Board and tell them that they don't want any changes in the Muslim personal law.
As far as any reform is concerned, the Muslim community will do on its own. Uniform Civil Code is not at all accepted one. This BJP government, again, it has failed on all fronts. Now it has taken that weapon.
Islam is not in danger. Only Mullah is in danger. And we have not outsourced our religion to personal law board. They are not going to decide what we want.
Instead of boycotting the Law Commission's survey, shouldn't Muslim bodies urge more people to participate? If there is an acknowledgement that social evils and injustice must be eradicated, why oppose the Uniform Civil Code? Bureau Report, Times Now.